Before we dive into coding, let's learn a little about history of Java. Java was originally designed for interactive television in 1991. Interactive TVs of that time are equivalent to today's smart TVs. Java was too advanced technology for the digital cable television industry at that time. At Sun Microsystems, a team of 3 people, James Gosling, Mike and Patrick, known as Green Team, started the Java language project in June 1991. Initially, it was named as Green Talk and file extension was GT. After that, it was renamed to Oak, inspired by a oak tree in their office. But this name was already a trademark by Oak Technologies. So, the Green Team gathered to choose a new name. There were suggestions like Dynamic, Revolutionary, Silk, Jolt, DNA to reflect the essence of this project. Java and Silk were among top choices. Since Java was so unique, most of the team members preferred Java. In 1995, Java was selected by James when he was having coffee named Java Coffee. Java is actually Indonesian island where coffee is produced. According to Time magazine, Java was one of the 10 best products of 1995. Java was first released on January 23, 1996. Additional features and enhancements were added subsequently in later versions.